Alright guys, after going through our architecture, I'd like to share with you this cool visualization here. So I'll put this link in the description. This is from Software Mill, and this allow you to interact and like play around with Kafka brokers, adding consumers, brokers, replication factors, and seeing how things work. So just for an example here, on the left, you have the configurations you can set. If you go ahead and click apply setup, this will apply this and the animation will start to flow in, so you can see how the messages are being sent, the acknowledgement, how the consumers are consuming this and things like this. So here we have our producer, we have our messages, we have just one broker and one consumer. So for example, if you go ahead and resume this, you'll see the producer starts sending messages to the broker. The consumer consumes it, sends back the acknowledgement to the broker. This is just one setup. You can see here I do have a consumer group associated with it, which is just one. Let me see, that's the offset where the consumer is in. So you can just go ahead and play around with this. Let's just go ahead and add one partition and apply this. So now producer started to send messages to another partition and see how consumer is consuming from both partitions, right? So you can see that it also started from its unique offset, did not replicate the messages. Let's add two more brokers. What will happen? Now we have two more brokers here working well. And let's increase the replication factor to 3. Now every message got replicated to all of the two brokers that were just added. How cool is that, right? So you can keep playing with this. There's a lot of things to explore. You can add a consumer to the same consumer group. Let's apply that. So now a consumer is consuming for it. At some point, it will start getting too populated, very crowded. So I recommend you to pick a concept you'd like to explore or understand better. Keep adding one by one till you're able to grasp it very quickly. Here you can also, on the top right, you can change the animation speed. So if you want things slowly, so you can really follow up what's happening. So see how I changed to 5 seconds. If I change back to 1 second, yeah, things are running pretty fast. So slow it down, select a concept that you want to explore and see how things work. You can remove, you can shut down a broker. See, I just shut down the second broker and now the first one turned into the leader. The replication just coming back to the third one. So yeah, leverage from those tools. Probably there are more around there that I don't know, and yeah, get use of it and explore those concepts. So I think you'll be able to leverage from that. All right. See you in the next lesson.